Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Trader Joe's haul for you. This is a monthly grocery haul. This does not include red meat and poultry. My husband gets all that when he goes to the meat store. So this is basically some fruits and vegetables. These will last us probably for about 7 days. Then there's some things that we'll use throughout the month of March. So let's go ahead and get started on what I picked up. So the first thing is, this is new to us. This is a Trader Joe's organic carrot juice. And I also got the beet strawberry juice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this before. I'm anxious to try it. It's just different than regular orange juice and apple juice. I picked up a bag of sweet potatoes for dinners and some pears. Pears last a pretty long time, and they're a great staple fruit to have in my house. And I know I can get more than a week off of that. Along with these mandarin oranges, I can get more than a week from that. I picked up these Trader Joe's gummy vites for my kids. They just ran out of their vitamins this morning, and this is going to be a quick fix for this month. I picked up some Greek Kalamata olives for salads and snacking. I did pick up one thing of the sockeye salmon fillets, wild Alaskan caught, for maybe fish dinner one night. Some black bean cheese Tostitas for lunch and snacking. And this haul is in a random order, just to give you a heads up. I picked up some organic lettuce for salads and things of that nature. 2 bags of the Trader potato tots. We like these as a side dish with dinner on the weekends when I just want to make something quick and easy, either on a weeknight or on the weekends. I picked up some organic half and half for cream of broccoli soup I'm going to be making, and 2 things of the almond beverage original unsweetened. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love this almond milk from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite. Avocados. These are they're not even ripe. So hopefully these should get us beyond a week. We put these in smoothies, on toast, on salads, make guacamole, you name it. We use our avocados for everything. A cucumber for a salad and sandwiches. I picked up these organic Nature's Bounty. They're like baby potatoes. I think I'm going to make a potato medley. I do have a couple recipes on my blog, so go ahead and check that out. I picked up a big bag of organic Gala apples for snacking. And apples are one of those staple fruits that will last longer than a week, so I like to have those on hand. I picked up a big bag of these Trader Joe's Ridge Cut potato chips for lunches and snacking, along with these organic corn chip dippers and the veggie chips for when I pack lunches for my kids, like sandwiches and chips and things like that. These shrimp soft tacos, I like these. The only thing I don't like about them is the shells, so I usually try to eat the inside and not the shells, but I do like them. It's just the outside, the shell. They need to figure out a different shell for this. I picked up these. These are new for us too as well. These 3-seed sweet potato crackers. I think these would be good with hummus or cheese or just for snacking. I picked up some organic garlic. This will last beyond a week as well. Some organic Baby Bella mushrooms and some white bottom mushrooms. I also picked up a thing of blackberries and raspberries. Some hash browns for the weekend if we have eggs and bacon and things like that. Some organic super sweet cut corn. I also picked up some tomatoes as well. These are the tomatoes on the vine. Some celery for that cream of broccoli soup and just also for snacking too. This is great with hummus as well. These dark chocolate peanut butter cups, super yummy for a little treat after you eat dinner or lunch. I love to have 1 or 2 of those. These chocolate chip chewy coated granola bars, my daughter loves them. You can get a better price per bar at buying them at Costco in the Quaker Oats brand, but for some reason she says these are better. So I every so often will pick up these for her. 2 loaves of gluten-free bread for toast or sandwiches. Some frozen organic green beans. I like to have frozen veggies on hand in the winter months, just because if I can't get to the store, you know, throughout the month of every month, I know I have some frozen vegetables in there to have with dinners and things like that. I picked up some roasted garlic hummus, and then I also picked up the salsa and mild. And then some organic applesauce. I like to have these on hand. Same thing when we get towards the end of the month. If I don't have fresh fruit on hand, I know I can always pull these out, and they're better than giving them, you know, something that's not good. The cheeses I picked up is Colby Jack cheese, and this, what is this cheese? This is the Swiss, and then I picked up this Cheddar Sharp Wisconsin cheese. And I try to find the later expiration dates whenever I buy dairy in some things, just because then I know I can get a good couple weeks to almost a month on that. I picked up some organic lemons for water, some organic tricolor bell peppers, some brown rice penne pasta. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I like to have pasta on hand, quinoa and rice on hand as a staple to make for dinners. I picked up some whipped cream cheese, organic sour cream, and some Greek yogurt for smoothies. I picked up some green onions and red onions. And then I picked up a bunch of eucalyptus. I've been wanting to get this, so I was kind of excited about that. So that is what I bought from Trader Joe's, and I spent a little over $200 for this month there. And like I said, there's a lot of fruits and vegetables and a lot of things that are gonna get us through the month, and then I'll just pick up things here and there for the rest of the month, like when we run out of fresh produce. If you enjoy Trader Joe's videos, always remember to give me a thumbs up, because that's what lets me know that you guys want me to continue to do these. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.